The deep sea, Earth's final frontier, begins where sunlight fades, around 1,000 meters down. Here, pressures exceed 100 atmospheres and temperatures hover near freezing. Yet life thrives. 90% of oceanic species inhabit this perpetual darkness, evolving bizarre adaptations. Hydrothermal vents create oases, while marine snow, organic debris, fuels food chains. Recent submersible dives reveal 20-plus new species annually, proving how little we know about these alien-like ecosystems. In the deep's predator-rich waters, camouflage is survival. The glass squid, Teuthowania pellucida, exemplifies this. Its transparent body renders it 95% invisible. Unlike shallow water species using pigments, deep-sea creatures manipulate light itself. Their tissues minimize light scattering through specialized proteins, while some even absorb bioluminescence from prey. This evolutionary arms race began 150 million years ago when the deep sea became a permanent habitat. Transparency requires biological genius. Juvenile octopuses like Vitrellidinella richardi achieve 99% light transmission by flattening their cells into thin layers, reducing light-scattering structures. Their only visible parts, eyes and digestive tract, are compacted or mirrored. Remarkably, their muscles remain functional despite transparency. Researchers at Monterey Bay Aquarium found these adaptations degrade under artificial lights, suggesting fragility in human-influenced environments. Silver-sided hatchetfish take camouflage further. They reflect 90% of ambient light using guanine crystal layers in their skin. These living mirrors match any light direction, whether dim surface glow or bioluminescence. Scientists at the University of Cambridge discovered their skin also polarizes reflected light, confusing predators with polarized vision. This adaptation is so effective, hatchetfish appear as water ripples even at 5 meters distance. Red light vanishes fastest in water. Below 30 meters, red objects appear black. Dragonfish exploit this. Their crimson skin absorbs blue ambient light, making them invisible to most predators. However, they carry bioluminescent red headlights, invisible to others but allowing them to see red prey. This dual adaptation, studied by the Smithsonian, gives them a unique predatory edge in eternal darkness. Firefly squid, Wattisenia scintillans, practice counter-illumination. Their undersides glow blue to match surface light, erasing shadows. Each squid controls 1,000 photophores individually, adjusting brightness to the exact angle of ambient light. Japanese research reveals they even mimic passing bioluminescent flickers to blend in. During mating seasons, millions gather off Japan's coast, creating surreal underwater auroras while staying hidden from predators. A midwater octopus, Geppetto lahithi, switches camouflage modes in seconds. When backlit, it becomes transparent. Under direct light, it turns opaque red using chromatophores. Harvard researchers found its skin contains light-sensitive opsins, essentially eyes embedded in its skin. This real-time adaptation outsmarts predators like sperm whales, which use echolocation to detect opaque bodies. Such dynamism represents camouflage's evolutionary pinnacle. Some predators evolved to see through the camouflage. Snipe heels detect transparent prey via polarized vision, a trait confirmed by Duke University experiments. Their eyes filter light into specific angles, revealing transparency as visual noise. Meanwhile, deep-sea dragons sport UV bioluminescence invisible to most prey. This arms race drives increasingly sophisticated hide-and-seek tactics, with 60% of deep-sea fish now having polarization-sensitive vision. Over 200 million years, camouflage and detection methods co-evolved. Anglerfish, with bioluminescent lures, developed black skin absorbing 99.5% of light, per Mabry studies. Their prey, like copepods, evolved rapid escape jumps, reaching 500 body lengths per second. This dynamic birthed extreme specializations: scaleless fish, mirrored eyes, and even creatures that mimic inanimate particles. Fossil records show such adaptations emerged during the Mesozoic marine revolution. Human activities now disrupt this ancient equilibrium. Deep-sea trawling damages 20-plus camouflage-dependent species annually, while mining sediment clouds water, ruining light-based hiding. NOAA data shows submersible lights disorient transparent creatures, making them vulnerable. Conservationists urge dark corridors, protected zones where artificial light is banned. As we explore the deep, we must remember, these invisible beings survived eons by remaining unseen. Until now.